this one in.
There we go. And I'll try to get it out for you because
I put it in the wrong slot.
you put it in the wrong slot, which, oh boy.
It's stuck.
You shouldn't have pushed it in there. I may need some tweezers to get it out.
I could go get them.
No, don't worry about it. Why don't you put another one of those in the correct spot while I go get some stuff to get that out.
Smaller piece. Okay. Now I put it in here.
I don't know where to put it. Did you get it done?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So in the next bit, we're going to continue on after I fix this little problem here. Thanks for watching, guys.
See